Man down, man down. Oh, the cucumber plants fell over. Bloody hell. Evening all, 22nd, I think. Yep, 22nd, 8:15 at night. Don't come down, water some of the beds and de-weed them. Just been around, let's have a look. So these are the beds I've put some tomatoes in, and what the slugs didn't eat in the greenhouse, I put some aubergines in. I've got a couple of plants there that need to go in, and I've got some courgettes because the actual slugs in the greenhouse destroyed them. Speaking of greenhouse, you've probably seen at the beginning of the intro that the cucumber plant went over. So we did come back later on yesterday because it was just too hot yesterday to do anything. So what I've actually done is I've actually put, zoom it out a little bit, I put a beam across and then tied them up. What it was, because I had them directly into the pots, the actual weights took them over. So these, I will be picking them when they're smaller, this type, because the skin is very, very hard. Tomato plants, I had to give them a bit of a prune yesterday because I couldn't tell which one was which. So I've had to try and put them down to one stem. As you can probably see, it's a bit butchered what I've had to do, but it was just too bushy. So back outside to give our main crop a actual watering, and I was slagging this thing off last week, saying that it weren't growing. Look, I've actually got a ton of weeds in here at the moment, but can't get everything at once. Just really hard weather where I live at the moment, and got them again. These, to be honest, just come out in half an hour. And mare's tail again coming back straight away. And a weed there, I ain't got a clue what that one is. But got, like I showed you last time, some more cabbages in. Some of these can probably come out a little bit early, but slugs in there are starting to play rife. Let me go on to the next ones. Now what I've actually done here, where my garlic was, I'm going to leave the garlic in a little bit longer, but I've actually put my sweet corn in. And you can see there, mare's tail's growing up back already. I only literally picked this stuff out. We've had to put a net over the strawberries. I think the birds have been eating them as soon as they got ripe. Close up the door, go across. We're going to trim all this lot. Clown French beans are now starting to take shape. Looks like the savoys are now starting to do a bit. Good thing is when they spread over the bed a bit, the mare's tail can't grow. It just dies off because there's no light. And also it looks like I've got some broccoli. You can probably see on that one there. That looks like I might have to pick that pretty soon. And some of these, I mixed them between, but like I said last time, whatever this stuff is here, I did say what it was once. It's worse than mare's tail. When you pull it up, the roots go everywhere. We took all the bags off this bed, de-weeded it, took the stupid straw out. I'm not putting that stuff on again next year. Yes, it kept the beds wet, but it's a breeding ground for weeds. So I put 2 bags of farmyard manure on there, and this one here, we've weeded this one. And this is like a mulching compost. As you see, that's probably the 4th bin I've filled with that stuff. You can see the grass is all died. That's because I actually used a farmer's weed killer to kill the actual growth. You can plant back on top of there, but these are just for past for the time being until I sort this lot out. I need a main crop potatoes there. I've got Trumbella growing here. Just need to try and get it to grow upwards, like so. We'll keep an eye on it. And yes, you guessed it, more weeds. Mare's tail, it's absolutely nightmare stuff. Leave that in, that's a French bean. And we've got, this is all the stuff we've got to take the tip. All in all, The allotment is now looking a lot better. I'm going to trim all this lot, and we've actually got 4 big bags of chippings, and they can go down here. Brush all this off, scrape it off, and I'm going to put as much as we can. And probably get some more. Try and go to the proper bark like this stuff. It's nearly impossible where I live. Right, 23rd, been down, trimmed all the edges. It's now starting to look a lot neater. Once again, mare's tail of that bed. Evie's pulled some weeds out of this one, but you can't get them between them. But it's a bit better. Trimmed down the best I can. Trimmed all down the edges. Now I don't want to try and get hold of a load of cardboard and cover this lot, and then just load that on top. Because this path needs doing, that path needs doing. But what I've done now is that nearly hit me where the sun doesn't shine. I put a couple of courgette plants in. I put this little black hoop over them, Sambian, stop the old pesky pigeons. It should do alright in there because that bed there is full of well rotted horse manure, a couple of years old, that compost, to be honest. And I think I might have to pull that, I think. Not pull it, but I will probably take that tomorrow, to be honest. But I'm happy enough now with all this lot. We've been here about half an hour. We only come here really just to water because it's like everywhere else, it's absolutely scorching. That's a little bit of an update from, as you can probably tell, my sweaty face is rather warm. I think it's still 27 degrees, and like I say, it's gone 8 o'clock. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again. Bye bye.